sourcing furniture at the Canton Fair. Here are the 8 pitfalls will make you lose thousands of dollars. I've seen them ruin hundreds of international clients' orders.
Pitfall 1. There are lots of middlemen in Canton Fair too. Trading companies pretending to be furniture factories. They have no production capacity, mark up 20 to 30% price, and can't control quality or delivery time. Pitfall 2. Material switching scam. They show you high-quality board, foam, hardware at the fair, but use cheap, inferior materials in mass production. Pitfall 3. Hidden cost trap. They quote an extremely low price, but hide extra fees for mold, packaging, shipping, and customization. Pitfall 4. Ignoring furniture quality standards. They don't meet your local safety and environmental standards, leading to customs clearance failure. Pitfall 5. No factory audit. You only talk at the booth, never check the factory, and can't confirm real production capacity. Pitfall 6. Vague delivery time. They don't write clear delivery date in the contract, leading to 1 to 3 months delay. Pitfall 7. No pre-shipment inspection. You pay first, then find quality problems and can't get a refund. Pitfall 8. No after-sales support. After you receive the goods, they ignore your messages when there are problems.
As a Guangzhou local with 15 years of furniture sourcing experience, I know every detail of furniture production and price composition. I can tell real factories from trading companies, check the real material quality, help you make a clear contract with no hidden fees, do factory audits, follow up production, and do pre-shipment inspection for you. If you want to avoid all these pitfalls when sourcing furniture at the Canton Fair, or if you need a trusted local partner in Foshan, add me on WhatsApp